Hey, it's Miracle Jade here once again, and I'm doing my tutorial on Afro puffs. So this is my hair, washed, no product in it at all. And I'm just parting my hair down the middle. I'm not perfect at it, and I'm using not the proper comb, but that's my detangling comb, so it's whatever. And then I just section my hair off so I can put product in it. It's kind of dry right now, so I'm going to also spray it with my spray bottle. And my leave-in conditioner that I'm going to use is Elasta QP Olive Oil Mango Butter. It is my favorite. It's the only product that gives me the best definition. I will use this forever. I used to use Shea Moisture, and then I started using this. I got it from my beauty supply store, and I am in love. Another thing that I do differently is instead of using gel, like I do have Eco Styler, but instead of using gel, I use mousse. I know mousse isn't really good for your hair, and I use the Vigorol Olive Oil Mega Moisture. I'm actually going to start looking for a better mousse that doesn't have, all the bad products in it that I'm not supposed to put in my hair. So if you guys have a suggestion, please leave it in the comment below, and I will go on a mousse hunt. And basically, I just section my hair off. I do about 4 sections, and then I just repeat putting product on it. I put a little bit of the leave-in conditioner finger detangle, and then I put the mousse on, and then I just twist it up, and I leave it like that until I finish my whole hair. My whole head is saturated with product. So the reason that I use mousse is because whenever I use Eco Styler gel to put in my hair after I put in the leave-in conditioner, it flakes up. I mean, it doesn't like flake where it's like dry. It flakes like, I don't know, the two products just don't mix well. And if I use the mousse instead, I find that the products mix very well, and I don't get that like grainy texture that I get with the Eco Styler. So that's why I want to find a better mousse product to use. So I'm going to do some research, guys. Now that my whole head is full of product, I am going to use some Eco Styler gel. But first, I'm going to undo my twists and then just finger comb them out. You see all that definition? And then I just start to push it up. I put some Eco Styler gel in just to make my edges shiny. And then I take my brush and I just lay my hair flat and brush it up, and then use a scrunchie and put it in a little ponytail. And then I fluff it out. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I always have a hard time making them even, but oh well. Once you fluff them out, you can like get them to the circumference you want, and then it won't even matter if they're even. And then I always put some product on my undercut as well and brush that out. Then I'm going to use my olive oil edge control. I'm just going to lay my edges a little bit. I don't know how to do like the designs and stuff with my edges. I kind of just put it on to lay them flat. And that's basically how I wear my hair every day. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. I love the definition, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Thanks.